Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making quite possibly one of the best appetizers you will ever try in your life. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm starting off this recipe with about 2 cups of fresh cranberries and 3 spoonfuls of brown sugar. This is a dash of cinnamon, mix it all up. And here I have some puff pastry. Alright, lay out all your slices on a parchment lined baking sheet. And here I have some fig preserves. I'm just going to put a little spoonful on the bottom. Here's all of that delicious brie. Give your cheese a slice. It comes in this casing. We're not going to take the casing out. Just take a slice of this and add it straight to your little pastry. Now you're going to take all those mixed cranberries and you're just going to put a scoop on top. You're going to have to press them in because this has to all fit in this little square. Lastly, you're just going to fold in the sides to encase everything in. I moved them onto a silicone lined baking sheet because anytime you're dealing with like melted sugar, it's just going to be easier to remove on a silicone lined baking sheet after they bake. I'm going to bake these at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. The 25 minutes has passed and they're ready. Oh my god, the smell is like nothing I can even describe. These smell incredible. Add these directly onto a cooling rack before they cool because all that cheese and sugar, it will harden. It's just some fresh thyme. Look at this presentation. And now for the best part, taste test time. That crispiness. All the different flavors and textures is so addictive. We got like really tartness from the cranberries, but the sweetness really balances it out. And then you have the creaminess of that brie cheese. It's a very subtle saltiness. It's like you can't stop eating it. Now if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.